Friends, today's topic is about renin vs renin. So one is related with the water regulation and one is related with the digestion. So what is the difference between this renin and renin that we will look in this video. So first of all, renin. So this renin is related with the renin angiotensin aldosterone system. So particularly to maintain high blood pressure as well as to maintain blood volume, this renin is playing important role. So this renin is released from the juxtaglomerular cells of kidney, particularly when blood volume is decreased or the blood pressure will be decreased or overall osmolality of the blood is increased. During that time, this renin will be released from the juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney. So when it is released in response to this osmolality and blood volume, what happen? This renin will is helping to reabsorb more number of sodium and water. So it is helping to maintain fluid in our body as well as maintaining the blood pressure. So that is mainly responsible for maintaining of blood pressure and fluid in our body. While renin, it is one of the proteolytic enzyme which is seen in gastric juice, particularly responsible for the digestion of the milk. So especially it is found in the children. So it is normally not found in the adult, but in the children this particular enzyme is found to metabolism of the milk. So you have to remember both are different, renin and renin. So you have to remember this is sometime asked in the MCQ as well as in the exam. So what is the difference between renin and renin?